In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image for optimal display on a desktop. Resizing images is an essential skill, whether you're working on a web page, creating content for social media, or simply organizing your personal photo library. It can help improve the visual appeal and ensure your images are displayed correctly across various devices. So, let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you achieve the best possible results. We begin by navigating to the image you want to resize. Open it up on your screen, and now take a moment to place your cursor over the image. You should notice a set of arrows that appear in the lower right-hand corner of the image. These arrows indicate the handles that will allow you to adjust the image's size. By focusing on this particular corner, you're able to maintain the aspect ratio of the image, which is crucial in preventing distortion. Now, you'll want to click directly on those arrows. This click will activate the resizing mode, allowing you to manipulate the image size to your liking. Remember, it's all about achieving the perfect fit for your specific needs, whether it's for a desktop wallpaper or embedding in a project. To increase the size of the image, simply click and drag the corner outwards. As you do this, you'll notice the image expanding. This technique is especially useful when you need the image to be larger, perhaps to fill more space on the screen or to enhance its visual impact. Conversely, if you need to decrease the size of the image, click and drag the corner inwards. This action will shrink the image, allowing it to fit into smaller or more specific spaces, perhaps where you might need a thumbnail or a more subtle visual element. It's important to take your time here, gently dragging and observing the results until you're satisfied with the image's new dimensions. While resizing, keep in mind how the image will be used on the desktop. Consider the resolution of your display or any specific dimensions required for the space where the image will be showcased. Maintaining the aspect ratio is key here. A well-resized image looks professional and crisp because it retains its original proportions without awkward stretching or compression. In conclusion, resizing images is a straightforward yet impactful task that enhances your digital presentations. By clicking and dragging the arrows in the corner, you can easily adjust your image to the perfect size. Practice this skill regularly, and soon it'll become second nature, ensuring your images always look their best on any desktop display. Thanks for watching, and happy resizing.